You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Giant Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
We will have a meeting with the private sector companies for purpose of bringing them on board. Number two, it's important we own this marathon. Why do we want everything free? It's very, very important. However small, we will determine it should be a marathon which is owned by us Ugandan, first phase. We are also gone out, no wonder we have employed the services of an international reputable firm to help us in bringing more of the international runners here. So, President coming in to take the first edition, or second edition, or third edition is a welcome initiative. But we should be able, with the monies we are going to raise out of this marathon, to make it a marathon which is self-sustaining. I want that to be made clear. That's why we are working with National Council of Sports, which is mandated by law on matters of sports, working with the federations. No wonder you have Uganda Athletics Federation here. No wonder you have the World Athletics Federation here. So for purpose of this marathon, I want to say the following, that President has come in to support us, which for me, all Ugandans must appreciate and thank him for that. Because you are aware, it was not in our budget. It wasn't in our budget. Number two, I also want to say this. He's a torch bearer and he's a vision bearer of this country. The President has always done good. No wonder he has incentives for our children, those who perform well in about 3-4 categories of sport: African Games, Olympics, and Commonwealth. So this time around, he has said, let's put investment into the marathon. Why should Nairobi have? Why not Kampala City? Why should Cape Town have? Why not Kampala City? Why should Boston? Why should New York? Why should Berlin? Why should Rotterdam have? Why not Kampala City? So for me, and if you love sports, and if you wish this country well, this is the beginning of us showcasing Uganda the rest of the world. In one event, I don't know how much publicity we will get by the international media. You cannot compute that in money terms. And this is what we want. Gone are the days you get out of the country, they ask you, where are you from? Uganda. You know the questions which they normally associate with Uganda. I don't want to put it here. But now today you go out, do you know what they talk about Uganda? It's a part of Africa. It's a country of the great champions. No wonder we must thank our children, Joshua and Kiplimu and others who have made this country what it is out there. I thank you. I too, like you've just said, you are aware, most of these athletes and marathoners maybe would be doing their own routine practice. But now, the moment we have announced today, they begin to plan, to prepare, to come and participate in this marathon. No wonder we are announcing it now. The company is going into international publicity for purpose of attracting those elite athletes to come here. You are talking about the prices. We have already planned for the prices to be mentioned to allow those international athletes to come here. Why should, I want to repeat, why should Joshua go to Valencia and run? Keep Limo. Why not call those friends of theirs to come and run at home? So I want to say this, it is true, that date has been given to us by the World Athletics Body, which I want to thank Beatrice and her team. By the way, she's the first Ugandan to get into the World Athletics. Let's thank her. She's there, first Ugandan ever